Happy day students, welcome to Computer Science Grade 10, Chapter 1, Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. Topics we are going to cover in this chapter are: first we'll give Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, then the subcategory of Artificial Intelligence, advantages and disadvantages. So first let's see what is Artificial Intelligence. It's an approach to make computer like a robot. It can think how smart humans think. We are going to train the system. Train the computer in such a way. So it is a study of how human brain thinks, learns and decides at work when it tries to solve a problem. So you might have now got an idea on what is artificial intelligence. Yes. Now let's see the subcategories of artificial intelligence. One is narrow, general and artificial intelligence. Artificial super intelligence. Yes. So before going further, let's see an interesting video on artificial intelligence.
Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Exploring Technologies. In this video, I will explain you that what is artificial intelligence and what are its various applications. I will explain you that how artificial intelligence is impacting our day-to-day life. So let us explore more about AI around us. But before watching this video, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for notifications. So let's start this video. Okay, now let's go through the contents of this video. First, I will explain what is artificial intelligence, a brief introduction. Then I will explain the levels of AI, and then we will see the various applications of AI such as in smartphones and AI in smart cars, AI in UAVs or drones, and then artificial intelligence in the social media, and then we'll see the AI in, as said by Minsky. And it is exciting the new efforts to make computers think, as said by Hockland. And it is a study of the computations that make it possible to perceive, reason and act, as said by the Winston. And then it's a study of how to do things, which at the moment people do better, like which the term artificial intelligence was first coined in 1956 by John McCarthy at MIT. Now let's see the various levels of artificial intelligence. The first level of AI is known as the narrow AI, and an artificial intelligence is said to be narrow when the machine can perform a specific task better than a human. Then the current research of whole AI is here right now. And the next level is general AI. So an artificial intelligence reaches the general state when it can perform any intellectual task with the same accuracy level as a human would. So that means when the computer will reach to the same accuracy level as a human, then we will call it as a general AI. And the last one is a strong AI. That means an AI is strong when it can beat humans in many ways. So obviously the second level and the third level are far away from the reality. The most of the AI, current state of the AI is under this category, that is the nano AI. So let's see what time will come when we reach to the second or the third state. Now let's see the various applications of AI. So the first device is the smartphone, and we will see that how AI is working in the smartphones. So when we are using a smartphone, we are interacting with artificial intelligence, whether we know it or not. Let's see how. So we have various built-in smart assistants. When you say "Okay Google" or "Hello Google," it may help, as you can see in this image. Then you can start interaction with this voice assistant. You can ask it to call a particular person. You can ask it to fix a meeting. You can ask this voice assistant to find a place on a Google map. You can You can ask it to play particular music, etc. So lots of things you can do with this voice assistant. So similar voice assistants are also found in various other smartphones, and they are developed by various other companies such as Apple. So Apple has developed Siri. There's another smart assistant, Bixby by Samsung, and Zhao AI by Xiaomi, and then Cortana by Microsoft. Of course, that is not in smartphone. It is for PCs, and then Alexa of Amazon. So Alexa is a very famous. You might have seen various advertisements in TV, or you might have actually used these standalone devices, Alexa devices. So you can interact with Alexa, such as you can ask it to play a particular song. You can ask it to do particular things when it is combined with other hardware, such as lights, fan, etc. You can give commands to operate them. Now, another thing is the camera, which heavily uses artificial intelligence. Let's see how. So, the one thing is when we take portrait mode with a single lens, then AI plays its role. Generally, you find a two-camera setup in mobile phones for taking such portrait mode. Portrait mode actually means human face is highlighted while the background is blurred, as you can see in this photo. So in two-camera setup, actually one camera is the main camera, while other camera is used for depth. So such photographs can be captured with these two camera setup. But what happens if there is only a single camera? Still, you have seen that various phones are able to capture these portrait photos with a single camera. So this is done actually with the help of AI, where artificial intelligence actually locates the human face, and then it identifies the edges, and then it blur all the non-faces objects like this. So here AI is playing its role. And the second thing is,
so students, I hope that video was very clear for you. So different artificial intelligence is introductory part and the subcategories and different applications. Yes. Now seeing the applications, now we will be in a position to tell the advantages of AI and disadvantages of AI. So let's go to the advantages of AI. AI takes time to perform a task. Execution of her to complete to complex tasks without significant cost outlays. 24/7 without interruption of breaks, has no downtime. AI augments the capabilities of differently abled individuals. So this is regarding the advantages. Just like we say every coin has two parts, this too has disadvantages along with it. High cost of implementation, can't replace humans, does not improve their experience, lacks creativity and risk of unemployment. Yeah, these are the few disadvantages of AI. Yes. So by this we are coming to the end of the chapter. We have completed introduction to the subcategories, advantages and disadvantages of AI. Yes. Okay students, thank you and have a nice day.